Good evening, hello and welcome. Today I am just going to let you know about the life. That what is the life? Life is a tragedy for those who believe in thinking, and life is comedy for those who believe in thinking. Be happy and have so many friends. Become gloomy and lose all of them. If you have sense of comedy, they will find you. If you have sense of tragedy, they all will turn remain very few. They would like to get the measure of your pleasure, but they need not to have your war in displeasure. There is none who would decline your nectar wine, but none of them would like to take life goal. That would be the main of mine. As a matter of fact, this is the lie. And second one, I'm just going to tell you about the value of time. That what is the value of time in our day routine life. That because we know that time is so precious. Time and tide wait for none. So we should also know the value of time. That what is the value of time? Because time once has gone, it won't come back again. Time is very precious. It is most valuable thing in our life. Because once it is gone, it won't be come back again, and it won't be wait for anybody. So we should know about this, because if you are just wasting your time, you can't get anything. Our success and failure in our life depend upon the time and the best use of time. Because if you can't make a good use of time, you can't do anything. And if you are just making a good use of time, so you can do anything. And our success, like I'm saying, for example, if our children who didn't do anything in the whole year, and then he can't just get pass with mark in his examination, because he didn't use a good time. He didn't discipline. He didn't make a good use of time. And if a person who make a good use of time, he is studying in daily routine life, he is disciplined person, he will just get passing mark. It may be possible he will come first, merit, all this. So for this I am just giving you a slogan, like, just to realize the value of 1 year, ask a person who failed in a grade. To realize the value of 1 month, ask a person who is waiting for his payday. To realize the value of 1 week, ask a person who is the editor of weekly newspaper. To realize the value of 1 day, ask a person who is going to be married. To realize the value of 1 hour, ask a person who is waiting for his beloved at the airport. To realize the value of 1 minute, ask a person who has missed his train in the railway station. To realize the value of 1 second, ask a person who just made an escape from an accident. To realize the value of 1 second, ask a person who has missed his gold medal at Olympics. So be easy, be busy, but not be fussy. Now I am just going to let you know about a topic. It's just a political issue. As we know that AAP, Aam Aadmi Party, won the election, as well as they also won the confidence vote, and they won the regime, as well as they get the party legislators. So now they are in regime, and the AAP party leader Arvind Kejriwal did many things good, like he suspended and he transferred many police and many officers, and because of this it is very good that in our country or in our society a good person, an honest person is come. So I want to appreciate him as well as his work, because he did a lot of good, a lot of development, and according to me, I am believe on them. I have a faith that he will carry on this development, because as we know that he is also a common man, he is also Aam Aadmi Mango people, so he knows the feeling as well as the tension and all the thing about the Mango people, about a common man, that what is the problem and what is the thing, that problem and that the people need, what is the thing which is most people like, and it is the necessity for them. And as he also belongs to just a middle family, so he know, so he will do a lot for us, because he did, as we know that he transferred as well as he suspended all the corrupt leader. He also said that in his speech that he will just suspended and arrested all the party leader as well as party leader. It doesn't matter that it is in his party or in Congress, in BJP. If anybody is corrupt, so he will suspend it. Okay, thank you.